to access the Acrodyne Limitorque QR code. Open your camera app. Hold your device over the QR code plate of the actuator and gently tap the code to automatically direct the link to the Acrodyne website. This action gives you easy access to the Acrodyne device support folder to see and download relevant technical references of Limitorque actuators, such as manuals, wiring diagrams, and how-to videos on your mobile screen. The QR codes are affixed to all recently supplied or serviced MXA and QX actuators. This is another innovative idea from Acrodyne to assist in after-sales service and support.